We're going to evaluate the integral of 1 divided by 1 plus e to the x. First we'll make a substitution. Let u be 1 plus e to the x. So e to the x equals to u minus 1, and then du is equal to e to the x dx. 1 divided by e to the x times du is equal to dx. Since e to the x is u minus 1, 1 divided by u minus 1 du is equal to dx. And now let's rewrite this integral in variable u. 1 divided by 1 plus e to the x, that's 1 over u, and dx is 1 divided by u minus 1 du. We're left to evaluate the integral of 1 divided by u times u minus 1 du. And of course we'll do that by using method of partial fractions. 1 divided by u times u minus 1. Since these are two distinct linear terms, we can write it as a over u plus b over u minus 1. Multiplying both sides by u times u minus 1, we have 1 on the left equals a over u times u minus 1 plus b over u minus 1 times u minus 1. We can cancel u here next to a, u minus 1 next to b, and that leaves 1 equals a times u minus 1 plus b times u. We can evaluate for a and b using a couple of different methods. Probably the easiest is to plug in 0 for u first. That gives us 1 equals minus a, or a equals minus 1. And let's plug in 1 for u. We still have 1 on the left, and on the right we just have b. So b is 1 and a is minus 1. Therefore the integral of 1 divided by u times u minus 1 is equal to the integral of a over u plus b over u minus 1 du, which is the integral of minus 1 over u plus 1 divided by u minus 1. And these two are easily evaluated. We have equals minus natural log of absolute value of u plus natural log of absolute value of u minus 1. But note that u is equal to e to the x plus 1, and u minus 1 is equal to e to the x. Both of these are always positive for any value of x, so we do not need absolute values. And we can write the answer now as follows. The integral of 1 divided by 1 plus e to the x dx is equal to minus natural log of u, which is e to the x plus 1, plus natural log of u minus 1, which is e to the x, plus c. Of course, we can simplify. Natural log of e to the x is just x, so the final answer is x minus natural log of e to the x plus 1 plus c.